Hello, welcome back to the next video. So we're going to check out the research stage of this project and the different types of things that we could do at this stage. So let's dive in. So let's have a look at our project overview again. We'll just jump in here. So we'll keep coming back to this during the project. So we've got the website pages that we need. We want to look at the competitor research. So analyze competitors for best practices in landing pages, course shops, checkout experiences, and contact pages to identify opportunities to stand out. So what I've done as a next step, I'm going to go back to our project area. I've created a new Figma file. If I open up this, so this is the research file. So I've split this out into two different pages on the left hand side. So we've got a mood board and we've got user statements. So let's cover the user statements first. So as this is an example project that we're using for this video series, we don't have an existing website that we can refer to. We don't have analytics that we can analyze and see where people are clicking on an existing website. So we don't have any stakeholder interviews and we don't have any usability tests to do to get more information and more insights from the people that would use our website. So what I've done as an example is I've added some user statements, and hopefully this will keep us aligned and thinking about the user as we're building out the different pages of our project. So let's zoom in. I've broken them up into the sections in line with the brief. So we've got the landing page, the course shop, the merchandise page, checkout, and contact page. So let's zoom in and have a look. Okay, the landing page. So these are the user statements. As a user, I want to understand what the website offers quickly so I know if it's relevant to me. I want to see testimonials and case studies so I can trust the brand before exploring further. And as a returning user, I want easy access to my account and previous purchases so I can pick up where I left off. So these are things specific to the landing page. Let's go to the next page. Okay, the course shop. As a user, I want detailed course descriptions so I can understand what I'll be learning and whether it fits my goals. I want course ratings and reviews so I can see if the material is suitable for my experience level. I want to filter courses based on my interests so I can easily find relevant options. And as a user considering multiple courses, I want a wish list feature so I can save courses and compare them later. Right, let's go down to the merchandise page. As a user, I want to see the latest merchandise so I can stay updated and support my favorite products. I want to view high quality images of each item so I can see the details and make an informed decision. I want the ability to filter items by category, size and price so I can quickly find what I'm looking for. I want to know if an item is in stock before adding it to my cart so I don't get disappointed at the checkout. I want to see a sizing guide for clothing items so I can choose the right size. As an international user, I want to see shipping information from my country so I can understand the costs and delivery times. And as a frequent user, I want to see new arrivals and bestsellers easily so I can find popular or recently added items. Okay, on to the checkout section. As a user ready to purchase, I want a simple and fast checkout experience so I can complete my transaction quickly. I want a guest checkout option so I don't have to create an account just to make a purchase. I want clear payment options so I can use my preferred method without issues. I want to see shipping options and costs up front so I can make an informed decision before buying. And last of all, the contact page. So let's have a look at this list. As a user with a question, I want an easy to use contact form so I can reach out without hassle. As a user needing support, I want the form to ask for relevant information so I can provide details to get help faster. As a potential user, I want to see an estimated response time so I know when to expect to reply. As a user with a specific question, I want different contact options like phone, chat or email so I can choose the method that works best for me. As a user seeking support, I want to upload files like screenshots or documents so I can provide all necessary details about my issue. I want clear error messages if I miss a required field so I can fix it quickly and submit the form. As an international user, I want a multilingual contact form so I can communicate in my preferred language. And as a user who has completed the form, I want a confirmation message or an email so I know my request was received. So I find these user statements are really useful when you're building out a project. it can make you think how the user is going to be using this, potentially how they're going to use these different pages. So it's a great exercise to do. We don't have any data, like I said, so we can't look at analytics and work out what people are doing with an existing website. So what we'll do here is we'll write down these user statements. I encourage you to write your own if you're following along, so have a go, write some user statements, so as a user ... and then fill in the blanks. I'm sure online there are some different templates and different things that you can follow, and what you can do is just in its most basic form just write as a user, and like these examples I've shown you here, you can fill in the blanks. Okay, so these will hopefully keep us nice and aligned on each of these pages as we build them out, and we can really think about what the user's going to want on each of these pages when they come to our website. Okay, let's open up my menu again and let's go to the mood board. So okay, we're on the mood board page here. What I'll also do is I've done a previous video that did quite well regarding mood boarding, so I'll link it above on a card. So what I've done here is I've added each of the different sections that we need to deliver for the project. So if I go back to the overview, we've got landing page, course shop, checkout flow, contact page. So I've broken them down into different sections. So we've got landing page or introduction pages, and we've got what we need, clear value proposition and strong call to action. We've got contact page, clean form for inquiries with contact details. We've got the course shop and merch pages, browse, filter and purchase courses or merchandise. And then last of all, the checkout flows, simple and seamless multi-step purchase process. Okay, so what we're going to do in the next video is we're going to go out there on the web and we're going to find some inspiration for each of our website pages. So we're going to go on different websites, pull some interesting designs down that we like and that are related, and what we'll do is we'll drag those screenshots into our mood board. We'll start to build up a collection, and let's see if we can see any nice patterns or things that we could use in our project. Okay, thanks for getting to the end of this video. I suggest you take some action now, carry out some of the steps that I've done in this video so you can really follow along with the project. I suggest you go and check out some of my other videos, like and subscribe and add some comments, and I'm going to see you in the next one.